In this video, I'm going to show you how you can switch between the different models on Ideogram. So if you find the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. So this is very easy. Whenever you are trying to generate a new image, you can click this icon right here where you can see the different models. So by default, you will see 3 models, but you can also click here to view other models. Now, as you can see, it will have a short description. So depending on the type of image you are looking for, you can choose one model or another one. So for example, if you want to use the most advanced model, you should use this one, the latest one. So this one should give you the best results. But as you can see, it has a higher cost of credits per image. So if you use, for example, the 1.0 model, each image should be cheaper, but it will also give you worse results. So depending on what you are looking for, the quality you are looking for, and the result you want to get, you can use one model or another one. That's how you can switch between models on Ideogram. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.